this is Janvi Pujari and I'm back again with another video of this series where we're gonna build a simple login page. Now, a simple login page is meant for beginners. Why? Because they need to build their logic skills. Now, why is that important? Because often beginners want to build a big project. That's true, even I felt that, but for making that big projects, you have to, learn how to apply logic in the code to build the big projects. For that reason, you need to begin from making small projects. So, if you are a beginner and if you want to learn and understand how to build your logic so that you can make big projects, this video is for you guys. So guys, I'm an educator in Newton School. So let's see what Newton School is all about. So my friends, Newton School is a platform which prepares you for career in tech. They have variety of courses which help professional working people and also for the people from non-tech background. Isn't that amazing, guys? They train you for 6 months to be a full stack web developer. Also, they ensures that you get placed in the best companies in the country. This wasn't the best part, guys. They have pay after placement facilities which ensures that you don't need to pay anything until and unless you get placed in the best companies with minimum 5 lakh CTC. Isn't that crazy, guys? So one more thing. Here you can see Launchpad. Launchpad is an initiative by Newton School for the students who want to learn coding from scratch, and here you can do as much as quiz you want and assignments you want to practice for the free of cost. Isn't that cool? And I want you all to go and check out their pages. So my friends, we are done with the introduction. Now let's quickly jump into the code, how to do it. Now we will write one div tag whose class name will be signup. After that we will write one h1 and that we will write sign up now. So you can see here how we have written sign up. Then we're gonna write one form tag because of course we have to use inputs and everything. For that reason form tag is important. And first input will be of email and second will be of password. Placeholder is important to help the user to understand. Here we have to write this, we have to fill this here. It makes your website user friendly, so I would suggest you always use placeholder. And just like we have written type as email, we have to write similarly the input type as password. And then again inside that span we will write one input where we want checkbox. Basically why we are using this checkbox, because to find out that whether user is agreeing to all the terms and conditions or not. Then again we will require one button. Login with Facebook. Login with Facebook will be your another button, your next button. This is how your basic HTML looks like, guys. Now we will finally jump into CSS. So let's see how to do that. First of all, I will target my body and then I will write font family will be sans serif, and also we're gonna put amazing background image, which will make it look aesthetic. So for background image, you can use image which is existing in your folder or also URL from Google. And after putting your URL of image, we're gonna say that the image size should cover your whole page. Otherwise, what happens if the image is small, then it will be shown in tiles. So that is why we are saying cover whole page, and also we are positioning it center so it looks better. And this is how it looks. We'll target our sign up. Let the width be 300 pixels, and also we're gonna define our box shadow. After that, we will say background color should be white. Padding should be 1.4 rem. And margin top should be 8%, and left and right should be auto, and bottom should be 0. Target our H1. Let's color it. Let's put some good color. And here I am using this website called as UI Color Picker, and this is one amazing website, guys. You will see a lot of beautiful colors, and I am choosing this color, and for choosing you have to just click on it and it will be get copied, and you have to paste it here. After that, we will say our margin bottom should be of 2 rem. Now let's target our input boxes, and we will say our border radius should be 20 pixels. Padding should be 10 pixel. Top and bottom should be 10 pixel. Left and right should be 2 pixel, and margin should be top and bottom 10 pixel, and left and right should be 0 pixels. Now width should be 100%, and outline should be none, because outline doesn't suit much on the input tags. So we are going to put a border which will be 1 pixel solid black. And now we are targeting our buttons. So color should be white, and width should be 100%, and the width should be 100%, and padding should be 10 pixels. Border radius should be 1.2 rem. Font size should be 1. Border should be none, because border and outline doesn't look good on that. And of course the cursor should be pointer, so it should look like a clickable button. Now we will target our sign up button, so we can give them a good color, background color. So I'm taking this one. After that, we will also target our Facebook login with Facebook button, and for that also we will give one good background color. Now as you can see, we have underline below sign in, which does not look good. That is why we will do text decoration none. Yeah, so finally this underline will get removed. And one more thing, this HR is used for, drawing one like divider thing. We can put or in between that line, so it would look or in the middle and lines in both the sides. So for that reason we're gonna style our HR and our or class or. We will target our or class, and background color should be white. Margin should be minus 19 pixel top, auto on left and right, and pixels bottom. So my friends, our simple yet beautiful looking UI for sign up and login page is ready. Let me know what do you think of this in the comments, and also if you want to see similar projects like this, let me know in the comments. Have a great evening. Bye bye.